Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making crispy babycorn fritters. This is a very simple recipe that's really crispy and really very tasty. For this I've used 12 babycorns which I've cut in lengthwise and boiled it with some salt for about 5 minutes. Drain the babycorns, keep it aside, and then we'll add in some spices to it to season them before they are dipped in a batter and deep fried to a golden brown color. I've added about 2 pinches of salt to this, red chili powder about 2 pinches, cumin powder about 2 pinches. I've used 2 big pinches of all the spices and chaat masala about 2 pinches. Please add the salt and the red chili powder according to your taste. And remember, we've added salt while boiling the baby corn, and we'll also be adding salt in the batter. So please add it according to your taste. Let's mix all the baby corns and make the batter. This is a very simple batter. I've used 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour for this, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder and about half a teaspoon salt. Like I said, please add the salt and red chili powder to your taste. You can always taste it and add again if required. Let's add in some water little by little to make a smooth and lump-free batter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and also share and like my videos. We've got a thin batter. It's not too thin, neither it's too thick. So it has to be of this consistency. Let's move on to the next step. We'll add the seasoned baby corns, dip it in the batter, and then I've dipped it in fresh breadcrumbs, and then we'll fry it in hot oil. You can also use panko breadcrumbs, and you can also add some seasonings to the breadcrumbs. You can also add some oregano to it or some garlic powder to it. That also gives a very nice taste to this babycorn fritters. We'll fry these babycorns in hot oil till they are fried to a beautiful golden brown color. It's as simple as this. It's so easy to make the babycorn fritters at home, and they're really very crispy and crunchy, and they've not soaked much oil, as you can see. So do try this and let me know in the comments section if you liked this recipe.